Hey there, welcome back to another tech video. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point, accidentally deleting important files on our macOS devices. In this case, our friend here ran a dangerous command, rmrf, on their M2 MacBook Pro, running macOS Ventura 13.3.1. Yikes. Luckily, they were able to cancel it in time, but some damage was already done. Let's see how we can help them out with this problem. Now, on to the solution. The first step our friend should take is to run a command to see what files were on the chopping block. By using lsrmore, they can get a detailed list of all the files that were at risk of being deleted. This will give them a better idea of what may have been lost and what they need to focus on restoring. Remember, knowledge is power when dealing with a file deletion problem. Continuing with the solution, to further investigate what files may have been affected by the accidental deletion, our friend can use an interactive remove command, rmri. This command will prompt them before each potential removal, allowing them to carefully assess and prevent any unintended deletions. It's crucial to proceed with caution and take the time to review each prompt thoroughly. Better safe than sorry when dealing with a system file disaster. In summary, our friend should carefully review the applications they had installed and check the library directory for any missing support files. Reinstalling any necessary applications and being cautious with file deletions will be key in recovering from this mishap. Remember, mistakes happen, but it's essential to learn from them and make necessary backups in the future. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your tech disaster stories. Stay safe out there.